Hi everybody, I'm back with another book review. Here you can see the parcel from Flipkart. F means Flipkart. And if you hear or listen to something background sound, I'm sorry for that because I have a very poor setup. I'm shooting this video with my phone and everything is happening around me. Alright, so here is the parcel. I'm just going to open it. I'm just going to tear this paper. This time I'm really disappointed with this kind of packaging because last time I had this kind of packaging I had last time. So this time I'm pretty disappointed. Alright, so wait. So guys, let me just cut it out the parcel, and I'm very pro at it. And here is the book. Here is the book. Here is it. Here is it. Here is it. Here is the book. 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 The 7 habits of highly effective teenagers. If you are a teenager, if your age is between 13 to 19, then you can read this book. Shit. No! If you are not a teenager, you can read this book. I'm not a teenager. I would like to be a teenager. I'm about to 29, but I'm not a teenager. But my mind is teenager. I'd like to have a girlfriend who is a teenager. So let's forget all this bullshit. Look at the book, man. Look at the book. Look at the book. Are you not going to read this book? Look at the book, man. Look at the pictures. Pictures, darling, pictures. Pictures. Sean Covey. Who's that guy? He is the son. He's the son of the great Covey, you know. His name is what? I don't know. The 7 habits of highly effective people, right? Oh, I don't remember. His name is Stephen R. Covey. Yes. So Sean Covey is the son of that guy who wrote the book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. If you are a teenager, long story short, this is the book for you. Here I'm struggling with these sweaty bodies, you know, like look at the book. It cost me $3.99. It cost me about 326 rupees, 323 I think. So I do not have the bill here. Here is the bill, you can see 327. Yeah, 327, and no bookmark. This time I'm pretty disappointed, but the book quality and the content is amazing. So if you want to develop these 7 habits as a teenager, go and get the book. And if you think that you are pretty overconfident, go to hell. Bye.